Welcome to Food Fight Showdown. On today's episode, we're back at Dairy Queen. They've got a new Drumstick Blizzard. Is it any good? Let's find out. Cue the intro. Food Fight Showdown.
Thank you so much for being my friends.
Let's rock. Before we try this new Blizzard, I'd like to tell you a little bit about my rating system. I like to rate on a scale from 0 to 100, with 0 being...
Are you kidding me? Oh my God, this is awful. I'm not even joking.
and 100 being...
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Okay, it's what this Blizzard looks like. Okay, let's try this new Blizzard. I've always been a big fan of Drumstick anyway. I think it's by Nestle. So I'm a little excited to try this Blizzard. Let's see how it tastes. Okay. It's got bits of chocolate, bits of peanuts. I'm thinking maybe a little bit of that sugar cone as well. This is a good one. It's a little sloppy, a little messy. It's a little less sweet than some of the other Blizzards I've had before. This is a good one. I think this one might be pretty popular. Okay, rating wise on this one, I'm gonna give this one, I'm gonna go 78. It's good, but I don't think it's as good as some of my other favorites. I think I like the Butterfinger, the Snicker, and the Heath. Those would be probably my top 3. What's your favorite Blizzard? Put your favorite Blizzard flavor down in the comment section, and we'll see what everybody thinks is the best. Well, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We'll see you on the next video. Food Fight Showdown.